This is so cool.
Yeah, you're lucky.
I can't believe there's a playground. Shall we go to it?
Yeah, you're lucky I got this flying thing so we can fly
Fine.
with.
Well, unless I have wings, so let's go play on the playground.
Let's come on that.
No!
On this?
Let's go.
Ah,
Come on. Baby, let's go.
oh, I can't get up.
What toy?
No, you don't have a toy,
I
honey.
don't think it looks fun.
I'm trying to climb up. I made it! I made it!
We're leaving.
On the slide.
Are you ready? Set, go. Okay. I
Look
can't
at
believe.
that rock. Wanna go on it?
Yeah, let's go climb it.
Okay.
I'm just gliding. Huh.
I'm gonna try to.
Fine, you go up it first. I guess I'll stay here. Make sure not to flip over, okay? Okay, time for me to go. 5 minutes later. Man, so high up.
I'm tired. I'm gonna stand right here.
I'm just gonna lay down right here.
I can believe I can fly.
No! Oh, great, he fell. Let's go see where he landed. Are you okay? Oh,
I'm okay.
you're lucky you landed on a ledge.
Yeah, and it hurted.
Well, it hurt too, so let's go see on the playground.
Okay, let's go on down. A monkey bars.
Oh, I'm gonna go back. Let me see if I can try doing the monkey bars over here though. So cool. I'm climbing. I'm climbing. I'm falling. Hurry up. I'm about to do this thing that tries. Let me pull it in.
Let me get them.
Are you sure?
I guess.
Okay. Here we go. Wow! Dang it, we're too little for that ride.
Come on, let's get up this.
Oh, look. Hello? Hello? What?
Let's climb up.
Fine.
First, let's try that one. That one's pretty extreme.
Fine, I'm gonna go with that one.
I'll go with this.
Wow. So fun. So fun. So fun. Okay. Wow. Wiggly bridge.
Look.
Yay, a pirate ship. Oh, look.
Look at this giant slide.
Let's go down it.
Together.
Okay.
Steady, go.
Wow. Wow. Let me just. Look at all the sand.
Look, what? We should go rock climbing on that tree right there.
Okay, let's go.
Pack on.
Ow.
Isn't this
I fell.
or not?
Not really.
You don't live
Ew, look, there's sap on the tree.
Ew, Seth.
It's so cool.
I
I'm just
like
flapping my
nature.
wings around.
Nature, so good.
Yep.
Let's
I know,
go.
this is where I belong.
Look, a real rock climb. Come on.
Okay. I'm trying to fly.
I'm gonna get up this. You get up that.
Okay. Let me alley-oop.
I'm here.
It took a long time, but we made it, right?
Yeah.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe
Yeah.
for more videos.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just rest a minute right here.
Let's go to sleep.
Ugh. I'm gonna go try some more. What should we try else?
Look, check this out.
Try what out? That's a pole.
I know, I want to try the pool.
Why'd you fall? Why'd you scream? Well, I'm going down a slide. You ready?
Let's go rock climbing again.
Don't scare me.
What do you want to do now?
I don't know. What do you want to do? Okay, guys, I guess it's time to end the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And peace out.